Welcome to qnawire.
The null hypothesis would be that the average number of units sold at the reduced price is not more than the average number of units sold at the regular price. So mu reduced would be less than or equal to mu regular, and the alternative hypothesis is that the average number of units sold at the reduced price is more than the average number of units sold at regular price. So mu reduced would be greater than mu regular, and that is choice 1. Now we want to calculate the pooled variance. The pooled variance is equal to the number of the reduced minus 1 times the standard deviation of the reduced squared plus the number of the regular minus 1 times the standard deviation of the regular squared over the number of the reduced plus the number of the regular minus 2. And so given that the number of units at the regular is, in both of them are 7, that would be 7 minus 1 or 6 times, now we need to calculate for the first group, the standard deviation, well, we can actually just calculate the variance, would be 22.905 to 3 places. That's already squared. And then 7 minus 1 times the variance of the second group. $45.238 over 7 plus 7 minus 2, so that would be 12. So the pooled standard deviation to 3 decimal places is 34.072. The test statistic is calculated as the sample mean from the reduced minus the sample mean from the regular over the square root of the pooled standard deviation or pooled variance over or times 1 over the reciprocal of the sample sizes. The sample mean from the regular is 129.286. The sample mean from the reduced, back up, is 132.714. Over the square root of the pooled variance times 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7. And so our test statistic to 3 places is 1.099. And the decision rule would be to reject the null hypothesis if t is greater than our critical t value, which is going to be right-tailed with 12 degrees of freedom. That's 2 less than the sum of our sample sizes. We're doing this at a significance of 0.01 to 3 places, 2.681. And because our test statistic is not greater than that, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and interpret the results would be the sample does not provide evidence, so that would be choice 2 as well.